friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you'll have a fantastic day. Today I have a special video to share with you. A while ago, a company called Karativa came in contact with me and asked me if I'm interested to try some of their pieces and if I like them to share them with you on my channel. So if you don't know anything about Karativa, this is a premium and personalized jewelry brand, and they have a lot of beautiful collections, jewelry sets. They also have customized musical boxes, so they have a lot of things to choose from their website. And since the Valentine's Day is approaching, what is the best way to treat someone special in your life than just offering her a special gift, a gift of jewelry or a personalized jewelry box. Now in today's video I'm going to show you what they sent me. I just opened the packaging when they arrived and I had a look, but I haven't took anything out, so it will be really nice to try them together and see how they look on me. Now I got to choose what I'm going to be sent. This is the beautiful box that came in, very nice, sleek, and you have the company name and the logo here, and on the same on the back. And I want to say they came really fast. I think they came maybe in 1 week or 10 days. So I was impressed with the shipping. When I'm opening up, I have two gorgeous jewelry boxes. I will show you in a minute what I have here. Then you have a velvet drawstring bag, very beautiful, and you can put here, I will show you what you can put inside. You also have a card which can be personalized, and here in this envelope you have a cloth to polish your jewelry. So I thought this is really unique. Then you have a jewelry care instructions, and they tell you a little bit how to take care of your jewelry. And here it's written, Karativa, we would like to say thank you for your purchase with us. At Karativa, customer satisfaction is one of the most important aspects of our business, and we hope you will be 100% satisfied with your purchase. And finally, we have something else. We have a gift box, gift bag. So you can put everything inside and gift it as a nice gift. I'm going to keep this one together with all the other accessories. So I love the presentation so much. I thought it's really neat. Now returning to the pieces that I have chosen, those are one piece. This is a engagement ring set, and they are in the size 8. They're coming separately packed, and you can keep them in this, or you can offer them in this jewelry box. This is the engagement ring, and this is the part of the set with this one, which is like a wedding band. I never had a wedding band in this beautiful style, and they are all from silver. So I'm more of a silver girl. If you saw me in my videos, you can notice that I mostly prefer silver. And another ring with a beautiful stone. And the third thing that I choose is this lovely necklace. This is a cocktail necklace. It's absolutely gorgeous. I was hooked when I've seen the actual pendant. I said that I wanted to have it. It's so on my style. Before putting them on, I wanted to show you what they look like in this gorgeous jewelry box. And the pieces look exactly as they look on the website. And this is the other ring. Oh my god, if you will not know, you will tell that this is a diamond ring. Putting this on, Now the only thing that I was a bit mistaken, I was choosing both of them in size 8, and size 8 it mostly fits on my middle finger, and you'll be able to tell that on my ring finger, where you usually keep your wedding ring, it's a bit loose, but it doesn't matter. I just want to show what they look like. Oh my god, I always wanted to have this kind of ring. I think they look so pretty. Yeah, this is a bit larger for me. From this reason, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to wear separately this ring, something like this. Now I'm going to put the necklace on and I'm going to come back. So this is what it looks like, and is not the maximum, length, it's like medium. It's customizable depending on the length that you need, so I think this is the perfect length for me, and it's also matching with the length of the blouse. I'm absolutely loving this necklace. You are going to see me wearing it in upcoming videos because I love it. It's so my style, and of course the rings also. Karativa kindly sent a discount code for my audience to share with you. It's Julia10. I will put it on the screen. It is not an affiliate link. I do not get any commission from any sale. I think this is a good opportunity to stock up on your favorite jewelries, or if you want to gift to someone a lovely jewelry set or a customized musical box, you cannot go wrong for this upcoming Valentine's Day season. So this is everything. I want to thank Karativa for sending me those lovely, gorgeous jewelry. I love them, and for sure, as I mentioned, you are going to see me wearing them in my upcoming videos because I love my jewelries, and yeah, jewelry are a part of my day-to-day. I do not put my camera on. You can see me that on all my videos that I'm recording, I have jewelry on. So yeah, jewelry is something which I always loved, and they are my biggest passion after makeup. This is all for today. Now, before we are leaving, I want to briefly tell you something about the look that I'm wearing today, just because I know that some of you will ask what I'm wearing. So I wanted to do a simple look, mostly based on eyeliner. So I have this Solo Giovane liquid liner, which is a blue liner, and I have it with a wing, but I have added on the wing, underneath the wing, I had this Kiko Milano eye pencil, which is a silver one. It's matching with the jewelry. I haven't even thought about that when I put it, but I think it's a gorgeous shade. And on my lower lash, I have this blue shade from the BH Cosmetics palette, this blue shade, and this transition shade Notre Dame. So I have them both layered, and in my inner corner I'm doing exactly like my friend Jackie. I love that she all the time mentions the makeup that she's wearing in her videos, so I want to take her good habits. So if you don't watch Jackie Naturals, now I tell you to go and watch her and see what a beautiful looks she does. So I'm wearing this shade in my inner portion of the eye. I'm wearing this Tarte mascara, the Lights Camera Lashes, which is almost dried out. I'm not yet prepared to give up on it, so I have added some eye drops to it, and the same applies to the Lash Paradise mascara primer, which it started to dry out. On my face, I am wearing the Hollywood Flawless filter underneath. I put it as a primer, even though I also have the Tarte primer and the L'Oreal Nude Plumping Serum. And I am wearing the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade Medium Warm, and my new blush from Bare Minerals, which I absolutely love it. This is Gen Nude in the shade Call My Blush. I have the highlighter shade from this palette from Charlotte Tilbury, the Filmstar Bronze and Glow. And finally, with the lips, I'm wearing the Magnolia by Goss. And underneath I have the Gerard Cosmetics, the boring liner that I'm wearing all the time, but that it's matching with all my lipsticks. So yeah, this is everything for today. A special thank you to Karativa for sending me those lovely products. Don't forget to check the description box where you can find the link to the Karativa website and also the discount code, which is Juliette. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch, but I would like to hear from you. What was your favorite product of today's video? And other than that, I hope you'll have a fantastic day. I'm looking forward to see you again with another video really soon on my channel.
Okay.